Each day throughout the world, we add to your comfort. Our innovative solutions contribute to a better lifestyle. We make homes safer. Living spaces become intelligent. They are comfortable and independent and incorporate both current and future technology. Our tangible energy-saving solutions help respect the planet and its natural resources. SOMFY has been developing internationally for over 40 years. With men and women in this unique company creating a daily mix of enthusiasm, professionalism, and rigor. This expertise and collective energy makes SOMFY the global leader for openings and closures of automated systems in the commercial and residential sectors. Today, SOMFY stands out with its exceptional products. In several domains: shutters, awnings, interior blinds and commercial building solutions, access and security, home automation. SOMFY's strength lies in its performance and rigor every step of the way. Ongoing innovation with its research and development center. High production capacity to meet market demands. Extended supply chain to optimize delivery times. Organized distribution with local customer and distributor networks. A network of distributors, installers, and manufacturers dedicated to serving customers. High quality standards. Spectacular, silent, and sometimes invisible. Our solutions are part of your daily life, inspiring us to go a little further every day.